Okay, boys. So today we are going to conduct a debate: online shopping versus offline. What kind of shopping is better and why? One group will be favoring that online shopping is better. Group B and will be favoring that offline shopping is better. So one student from this group first will stand up and then put out the points, and then if you have the answer, so anybody from this group will be standing up and then put out the points and counter him and try to defeat him that no, your point is not right, according to my understanding this is better. Okay, so yeah, anyone from this group? Anyone? You? Okay. Say why online shopping is better.
Because of online shopping we can save our time.
Hey, what is this?
Because of online shopping we can save our time.
Okay, so because of online shopping we can save our time. Because of online shopping we can save our time. So is there anybody from this group who wants to? Yes. Okay, you come late. Okay. Take it.
Offline shopping are much better because
Speak louder.
offline shopping are much better than online shopping because we have Indian moms. Yes, Indian moms. They do bargaining from rupees 500 to rupees 100.
Okay, so he say okay, so he is saying that in offline shopping what happens, we can do the bargaining, okay, but in online shopping we can't do the bargaining. So what is your point? Okay, everybody's turn to come. Yes.
We get
1 minute. Hey.
we get off on online shopping, and we get the time to give this subject return to. We get off 50%, 70% off, and we can give this object return. The object is not better.
Okay, so simply he is saying that if we buy something, 1 minute, simply he is saying that if we buy something online, if the product is damaged, we can return it, and we can what was the other point?
We get off.
And we get the maximum discount as well. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute.
At offline we touch the product. We can touch.
In offline what?
We can touch the product.
Okay, so the biggest point and the biggest advantage of buying offline is that we can touch the product, and sometimes it's needed to touch the product, but what happens in online, we can't touch the product, we just can touch the screen. What is your point?
In online market we can in big billion days, for example big billion days, we can buy 1 lakh material in 50,000 or more than on half price.
Okay. So now simply he's saying that we get the maximum discount. Yeah, what is your point? Yeah, everybody.
But in offline market,
1 minute.
the online shopping charge, delivery charge, tax including all. But in offline you can do discount, or that it is more lesser than the online market.
Okay. So very good point that what happens, the biggest drawback in online shopping is that the delivery partner or the company takes the delivery charges, but in offline shopping there is no charges, only we pay the the rate, or we pay the fees for the product, that's it. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. Let him say.
Sir, he is telling about the delivery fees. If we are buying 1 lakh's iPhone, so we can't pay only 40 rupees for delivery charges.
Please repeat it.
He is telling about delivery charges. If we are, I can say that if we are buying 200 or 300 thing, then we can't pay 40 rupees. But if we are buying 50,000 or 60,000 rupees iPhone or anything else, so we can't pay only 40 rupees extra for delivery fees, because the delivery partners, they also do job, they also do their job, so we can give them 40 rupees for our happiness. And also he was telling about Indian moms. That they bargain.
Moms.
Yes, they bargain from 500 to 100 rupees. Any shopkeeper can't give them.
Loss.
Yes, he only say more price. If he see any mom coming, he will say
First he overcharge the price, then
yes.
he lowered up from higher.
If the price is 200, he will say 500. Then the mom. then the mom will reduce the prices and come to 200.
Yeah, very good point. That 1 minute. Let me summarize it. That you people were saying, boys. You people were saying that in offline shopping, what is the biggest advantage of buying offline is that we can do the bargaining. But what happens there? Simply the shopkeeper first overcharge and tell you the higher prices. Then from the higher prices he goes to the lower prices. So actually you don't get any bargaining. You don't get the item in less amount of money. Yeah. Very good point.
Sir, he is telling that he will buy iPhone in online, but sometimes that delivery boy coming and he is telling I will open that box, but when they are opening that box we get scammed. We got a bar of soap instead of iPhone.
We get the bricks or soap
yes,
or something like that.
That is big scam.
So 1 minute. So the biggest 1 minute. So he also put out the very good point that in online shopping we get scammed a lot. Instead of the product we get bricks or soap or something else. Yeah. 1 minute. You also say something. 1 minute. Everybody will get the chance.
If the scam is done,
1 minute, boys.
if the scam is done, we can report the police and etc.
We can report the police and return the product as well.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Simple. Yes. You have said once. No. Boys.
In offline shopping, we can touch the product and we can see the product. The product is good or not. In online shopping, we can imagine that the product is only good. When the product is come, the product is not good.
Okay, so in online shopping, he's saying that in offline shopping, we can clearly see that the product is good or not. But in online shopping, we can't see this. Yes.
In online shopping, we will buying the something. The delivery boy came in 10 minutes.
Okay. Yes. 1 minute. Very nice. You also yes.
There are many cases. Google all are telling that they are buying something another and they are coming like they are ordering a big suitcase, but it is coming like small, and there are many scams and all people are complaining about that. And sometimes means you have ordered any glass thing, it will come broken, and you sometimes you cannot return it. But in offline market, you can see it, check it, the quality is good or not, and you can say the shopkeeper about that this is damaged or not.
Okay. Yeah, so simple point that he has put that in online shopping what happens, sometimes we get the broken items and it takes much time to return, and sometimes it's not possible to return the item as well. And recently it happened to me. I ordered a package of diaper, and instead of receiving the small diaper, I received the medium diaper, and from Sunday to till every day I have been trying to return it, but then that's why I lost my 400 rupees. Now I again ordered the small size order, and when my baby will grow from 1 year to 1.5 years, then this product will be used at that time, so I will have to wait till then. Yeah, okay, from this group now 1 minute. Anybody from raise your hand who wants to speak. Raise your hand. Okay, let him say, because you two people have told. Okay. 1 minute.
From online shopping, we can brought out of country products. We can bring out of country products.
Everybody. Yeah, very good point. He is representing very good point.
In online shopping, we can bring out of country product, but in offline shopping, we cannot bring out of country product.
Very good point. See, very good point that if we want to buy something that is only found in outside of the country, so simply we can order it, but we can't go there and buy it because it will be too much expensive. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, let him say. Yes. Boys.
In offline shopping, we can talk with shopkeeper face to face. In offline shopping, we can talk with shopkeeper face to face.
In offline shopping, we can talk to shopkeeper face to face. Okay. Yes. Okay.
In offline shopping, we can sit, stand and sleep wherever we wherever we go, whatever we have to buy, we can buy.
In that online shopping, many that says that their customer service is not good, and the company said that is not our fault, and it is your fault that you received this type of you ordered that, and saying that it's
Why
your
did
fault.
you receive it? If it was damaged, then why did you receive it? So yeah, he also put out the very good point. In online shopping, what happens then when we receive a product and it's damaged, the company says, if the product was damaged, why did you receive it? Why didn't you just return at that time to the delivery partner? Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, you didn't say it. 1 minute. Okay,
Sir.
sorry. Okay, let him say.
Sir, he was telling about that someone send soap, or so we can click that there is an option that open box delivery.
Yeah, very good. Open box.
So if in that we can check the mobile if it is broken, damaged or anything else, so we can see it. And
Very good. 1 minute, let him say. Let him counter.
He is telling that you can return it. You have waited like a month or 2 months, and you can
You should need to wait for
yes, and you will return it again. So how will your patience will then?
How long you have to
Yes,
wait to
if you want to gift someone, if there is birthday on 25 and it comes on 25 and it will damage, if you will return it, it will come at next month or another next month, like that.
Very good. Okay, 1 minute. So very good point. Also, he point out that if the product is damaged and we need to wait for a month, or sometimes it goes up to 2 months, not 2 months, but at least a month is also too much. Now 1 minute. But in offline shopping, we simply go there, we will check out the products, and when we will buy it. Yes, 1 minute. Yes.
Sir, in nowadays or in now's era, the women's comes out is not safety. That's why the online shopping is also better for them.
So very good point that what happens outside, the women sometimes are not safe. 1 minute. The women are not sometimes safe, so it is better for them to buy online.
In offline shopping we can go to shop.
Now let's conclude the discussion.